What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So check this out. If you follow me on social media, I told you guys that I changed my wallpaper to video wallpapers, right? And as soon as I dropped that, a lot of people asked me, well, how do you do it? How do you get animated wallpapers and stuff like that? And what about battery life? And what about performance? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install the video wallpapers on your device. Not only that, I'm going to give you what I think about it and also the battery life on these wallpapers here. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready. Woo, they're beautiful, just beautiful. And follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So what I have here is called video wallpapers, and I actually downloaded 4 videos here on each one of my devices. Now, a lot of people ask the question, what about battery life? What about performance? Now, as far as battery life, if you got full videos playing all the time on your device, obviously it's gonna take a little toll on your battery life. But I haven't witnessed too much of a battery drain. But I don't worry about battery drain. This is dope. I don't worry about battery drain. This is dope because fast charging, no big deal, no issues with that. So if you got a fast charging device, which all these are fast charging devices, you don't have no problem with battery life. Also performance. I mean, with most devices now that have all these performance 636 processors and 855 processors, 845 processors, you're not going to run into performance. I don't have any performance issues coming out of these devices while using video wallpapers. Now, here's the thing about the full video wallpapers. It's a little technical. I'm going to try to make it as easy as I can show you guys on how to download full videos on your device as wallpaper. So I got to get to a computer, so we're going to change directions on the camera and let me get to a computer so I can show you guys how I put full videos on my devices. So check this out. All right, guys, so here it is. I'm at the computer. First thing you got to do is plug up your device via USB Type-C to your PC USB slot, right? And I'm using software that's called Yumi Video. All right, you could download this from the internet, and it's a fee if you want to get the full version of it. It's a few bucks for a lifetime, so I advise you to go on and use that. All right, so the first thing you want to do is basically go online and find you a trailer or something, a movie, or if you're a YouTuber, use your own videos, however you want to do it, and basically you click on it. And what you do is, once you click on it, you just take and copy and paste from here, right at the top of the timeline, copy and paste it. And you want to open up Yumi Video Downloader. Again, you have to get this from the internet. It's called Yumi Video Downloader. And as you can see, it already then took the copy and paste already to the app. And so basically what we want to do is just download it. All right, so it already has this downloaded already. So basically after you finish downloading it, it's going to send the file to your video on your computer. All right, so when you go to your computer, here it is right here, the Captain Marvel that I downloaded from the internet right here. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and right click on it. You want to copy it. Then you want to go to the side here to the device that you got plugged into your computer. You click on it, you go to your phone, and you go to what's called DCIM. Then you go to camera, and boom, you just right click and paste. All right, so I paste it right here. So basically that's it. So I just took a video from the internet, copied and pasted to my phone using Yumi Video Downloader, and now it's on my phone. Now the next step that we have to do is on the phone. So let me go ahead and show you the device. The app that I'm using is right here. It's called Video Live Wallpaper. So Video Live Wallpaper, you open it, and right here on the Video Live Wallpaper, you got the top screen right here, and you look for the videos that you want to show up on your screen there. So once you select it, it's going to ask you, do you want to make it your lock screen or your lock and home screen? And then you just say, okay. And that's it right there. So there it is. Right now, I have a full video on my home screen. And also, when I unlock the device, it will show up on my lock screen. And that's how you do it. Real simple, real easy. So as you can see, I showed you guys how to download full videos on your devices. Now, yes, if you want the full version of the app that I showed you, it does cost a few bucks, but it's a lifetime. It's no big deal. Other than that, I don't have any issues by using the full video on my lock screen and on my home screen. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. This is so dope. That's what I'm talking about. Let me know what you think about the full video wallpapers in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. This is so dope.